Hello once again, my name is Emmanuel Daniels. You are welcome to the Microsoft Excel dashboard presentation course. Here on this video, we are going to look at another way of creating chartless visualizations on our dashboard. Here we are looking at how to use fancy fonts. You can look at the worksheets 031 using fancy fonts attached to this video presentation course. Now, you can use fancy fonts, like I said, to create visualizations, and you have three font styles that are basically useful for this purpose. You have if you look at your font style, you have the Wingdings, you have the Wingdons, and you have the Webdings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take a look at these letters here, these fonts. You have letter A and number 0 here. The Wingdings equivalent of 0 is this, and A is this, and small letter a is this. Now if I type P, for example, now if you format the area font as Wingdings, let's look at what it will give you. You can see the characters that you will get. You can see the characters that you will get. You can use this to create visualizations for your dashboard. Now let's take a look at an example. Now if you take a look at this, you can use the if functions. Instead of these functions to return the exact characters, they are going to return some icons instead of the standard letters and numbers that are used. Now let's take a look at this example. Now remember our variants, this worksheet used in Excel camera tool. Now the visualization I want to use is, this. This is P, small letter P and Q. So I'll tell Excel that if what we have here is greater than 0, Excel should write P. Otherwise, Excel should write Q, small letter Q. Okay. Now, this is not what I want Excel to display. Now, I'm going to format this. You take a look at this. I'm going to use the Wingdings 3 example. So when I select that and I click on the font style group here, excuse me, I select this, so you can see this is what you have. Let me increase the size so you can see how you can use this to create visualizations for your dashboard, and you can actually format these fonts. I can apply conditional formatting. Or you can format you can see, or you can actually use conditional formatting here. So you can visit my advanced Excel course on how to use conditional formatting. Now, apart from using these fancy fonts, you can also use symbols. Symbols are not actually fonts. If you go to the insert tab of the ribbon and you click on symbols here, you can see different symbols. You can use the webdings, wingdings, and these are the versions. You can actually use this to create visualizations that does not involve the use of charts. So now I've added this visualization here, and I told these symbols, I said if what you have in B4 is greater than 0, Excel should give me this, otherwise Excel should give me this. Now you can use this to add additional layers to your chart. So if I want to create a chart, I click on this area and I say insert chart. Let me use this insert chart. Okay, I will use the clustered column chart. Say okay. Now you can see how you can use this to add additional layers to your chart. I've actually created this chart, and then you can add data table. You can add data table to the chart. You can see how you can use this to create visualizations for your charts. You can see this actually provides information to somebody who is looking at your chart. So basically, this is how to use symbols and fancy fonts in creating visualizations that does not involve the use of charts. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much.